Today we are making the quickest and the easiest donut recipe using only two basic ingredients. No flour, no milk, no eggs, no butter. Adding sugar, it is by your choice. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting recipe, so let's begin. In a preheated pot, I am going to add water. Now, once you notice a rolling boil like so, it is time to add salt to taste. Once I add the salt, I am going to stir with a wooden spoon. You can also use a spatula, but I prefer a wooden spoon. Now, gradually moving with semolina, all right? Pour it gradually as you mix, okay? Now, there are two ways that you can do this. It's either you bring the pot down, then start adding the semolina, or you can do this while the pot is still on your stove. But please, do this on the lowest heat, all right? Continue to mix till you form a semolina dough. If you are with me at this moment, type semolina dough. Okay, take it off the heat, transfer in a bowl, spread it around and allow to cool down or till it comes to the temperature that you can handle, all right? This shouldn't be more than 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Once that is done, personally, I love to rub in some little oil on my palm. Now, once that is done, go ahead and start molding in your preferred sizes, all right? Now, I pick up one of the semolina dough, then start molding. You are going to mold into a very smooth ball, as you can see on the video. Now, use any of your fingers and dip inside the ball, okay? This is just to create a hole, to give it that donut shape. That's all, okay? Now make sure that you create the hole very well to be visible, okay? You should have something like this. I love it. Do you love it? Let me know at the comment section. Now you are going to repeat the same process with the other ones. Beautiful shout out to you, Louis, watching from South Africa. Joycey from Ghana, Olive from Malawi, Chinchin watching from Abuja, Nigeria, and Blessings all the way from Dominica Republic. Whoops! Aww, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Alright, I continue with the same process till I'm done molding all the balls. You should have these cuties looking at us here. I love it. They look so beautiful. It is time to take it to another level. I will advise you fry. You can also choose to bake if you wish, but personally, I would tell you that frying is the best method for this. Go ahead and throw the cuties one after the other into a deep, hot, moderate oil. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. After throwing the boys into the hot oil, allow to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on high heat, all right, as you can see. Okay, now do not flip it around immediately you add it, please. You are going to mess it up, okay? Continue to flip them around from time to time. Fry according to your preference, or once they are golden brown like so, they are ready. Take the boys out of the hot oil. Transfer into a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And that is basically all for this simple, easy, delicious donut recipe. Will you be trying this? Let me know at the comment section. Do you love what he is saying? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Oh my word, it turned out so well. Now there are different ways that you can enjoy this. You can see the texture, all right? Crispy outside, moist inside. You can enjoy just the way it is, or you can enjoy with tomato ketchup, sweet chili sauce, just like I'm doing right now. Dip into a sweet chili sauce or tomato ketchup and enjoy. Or you can add some sugar in a different bowl with a touch of cinnamon powder. Mix to combine very well. Go ahead and toss it around with the semolina donut. If you are with me at this moment, type semolina donut. Go ahead and repeat the same process with the other ones. Serve and enjoy. Look at that. Oh my word. The sugar and the cinnamon coating gave it another appetizing look. I'm loving it at this moment. Let me know at the comment section which method of enjoyment do you prefer? Enjoying it just the way it is, or dip in a tomato ketchup, sweet chili sauce, or coating with sugar and cinnamon? Let me know your preference at the comment section. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.